Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to switch between Next Experience UI and UI16. Okay, in this video, we are going to make some configuration changes. So to make the configuration changes work, it is important that your instance must not be on versions prior to San Diego, like Paris, Quebec, Rome. Okay, keep your instance up to date and we will be using Tokyo version for the demo. So let's begin our video. We are going to make some configuration changes in the system properties. So we will be using properties glide.ui.polaris.on_off_user_pref_enabled and glide.ui.polaris.experience. So let us start making the configuration changes in the system properties. But first we have to check whether if these properties are present in the system or not. Now we have to open the system properties list. So we are going to use the filter navigator shortcuts for that. So in the filter navigator type sys_properties.list. This will give us the list of system properties. And using the wildcard searches, we are going to find our properties. So in the name search text box, type asterisk on_off. This will give us our property user preference enabled on and off, but as you can see that particular property is not available, so we have to create our new property for that. Okay, next we are going to find our polaris.experience property. So we are going to type asterisk polaris.experience and hit enter. And we can see that this particular property is available. So if we open this property and if we read the description, it says enables unified navigation experience on platform. So this particular property is used to enable the unified navigation experience on the platform and the value will be true. So you don't have to do any modification in this particular property. Okay, it will remain the same. Okay, now let's create our new property that is not present. If you want to get the name of that particular property, the name is given in the description. You can copy the name and paste it while you're creating a new system property. Okay, so we are going to click new, and in the system property new record form, give the name. This will be our name. The name must be same as it is given. Okay, type will be true and false. Okay, value will be true. Okay, that's it, nothing else you have to do in here. So we are going to save the system property. Now you can see that our system property is being saved. And now what you have to do, all you have to do is that here in the user profile, click here, go to the preferences. In the display, okay, here as you can see we have to see one more box here, but it is not present right now. So all you have to do is that refresh the page. Okay, now go back again to user profile, preferences, display, and you can see that one box appears. It says turn off next experience, and if we set it, the page is going to load. It's loading, and you can see that we are back in our UI16. Okay, and you can work on it the similar way you were working in UI16 prior to San Diego version. Okay, from here you can change the themes if you want. It's all similar. You have switched to UI16. Okay, and if you want to go back to next experience UI, here you can see a button is available, turn on next experience. So click on this, the page reloads and you are back to next experience UI. And whatever the changes you have made, it is for you only. it will not apply for other users. Okay, so if we change the preferences to UI16, okay, and try to impersonate the user, okay, this is our demo user. So if we impersonate user, so that particular user will see the next experience UI, okay, but this particular user can switch between the next experience UI and UI16 by clicking on user profile, preferences, display, and from here the user can turn off next experience. Okay, so like this any user can switch between next experience UI and UI16. Okay, but whatever the preferences changes you have made on your personal developer instance will not affect the other user. Okay, so if you switch back to next experience UI to UI16, so you are the only one who are switching it. The other users will stay on next experience UI, but they have the option to switch back to UI16. But if you're working in a company instance, always ask the admin of the instance to make changes to these properties. Okay, don't make any changes without asking the admin of the instance if you are working in a company instance. Okay, this is just for your personal developer instance. This was the end of the video. If you like this video, do subscribe the channel and share these videos with others. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.